Okay, guys, if you are in the motivational niche or you are just about to get into the motivational niche and you need to know the video that are trending in this niche, that's what I'm going to be doing for you in this video. Where I'm going to be using this paid VidIQ AI paid tools. That's what I'm going to be using. This is paid. You can't do it with a free version of vidIQ. This is a paid. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So here we are right now. AI coach is going to be doing this for us. You can attach if you want to do. You can do deep thinking, thinking. Sorry, that's what you can do. But here we want to just check out for what is trending. Yeah, we want to go for current trending. So click right here to say trending. Say what niche. We're going to say motivational. I'm going to say motivational and just click here to search. I'm going to be doing this for you. So all you need to do right now while this is loading right now is to just go down below right now and just subscribe to this channel, because I'm doing this for you right now with um with the intention of helping you to grow your YouTube channel. So this is the things that are trending in the motivational niche right now. Looking for YouTube. This is analyzing the old YouTube channel right now. Is analyzing and is going to give us what is trending in the old YouTube game right now. So that's what we're going to do. So it's still in it right now. Motivational content, you see, motivational content 2025 is searching, is still searching, analyzing keyword metric, thinking. This is thinking right now, fetching top YouTube channel. Is going round into the YouTube and is looking at the channel and is getting all of their content. Look at it's giving us details of how many views, how long the video is. This is a detail, guys. Man, I'm telling you right now, if you want this thing that is generating for me right now, this file or this data that is generating for me right now, all you just need to do right now is to comment I want it, and I'm going to make this available for you right now. So that's all you need to do. So you can see these are all the details that he has given us right now, and he has given us keyword that we can even target. These are the keywords that are trending. These are the keywords that are really doing very well right now. So all of this, look at all this data that is in. Focus on yourself and stay silent. These are the content that are trending right now. Why is trending? Audience crave introspection and self-improvement. Example approach for your channel. Crypto mindset. How to stay focused on FEMO. So this is just basically just giving us the details of what we need to do, how we need to go about these faceless channel for motivational niche, guys. So like I said, if you want this detail right now, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll make it available for you and I'll give it to you, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace and bless.